How much time do you take researching a property before you dial the phone?
So when I listen to it, it doesn't get me excited because he's not motivated to sell. I didn't listen to the second one yet. I am going to call the guy, but I'm like, what do I even say to the guy? Because he's not really motivated to sell. He's got a 2% loan, cold call. I haven't reached out and did any talking to a seller probably in, it's been a couple months. They're looking to get out of the house and they got, a 60 day timeline and all that. It's just really somebody that's not motivated to sell. I can still call them. It's not that I don't want to call them, but
Randy, you want my honest opinion?
Sure, let's go.
Bro, you are overthinking this thing so much right now.
And I see that you had it listed for 270 and 245, 225, 215, and then removed a couple months ago.
Yeah, because
Okay, so what's the question there? Now I'm on Zillow, and what did I see on Zillow? It was active. He was way up here. He did a bunch of price drops, and then it was removed. So this is me listening now. I'm on Zillow. I'm trying to understand what this guy's doing. He was asking over retail, he gave me the appraised price. He's asking over that, it didn't sell. So he now is an expired listing.
Yeah. I want to take a second to talk about something that's really important. I've seen this a million times. I'm going to ask you a question. I've never asked you this before. I'm pretty sure I know the answer. How much time do you take researching a property before you dial the phone?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay, so you're not doing a full underwrite and review and going back and forth and looking at the history.
The reality is, if you're trying to get through a lot of conversations, you really should just be skipping the research altogether and just dial the phones. Get the information that you need from the seller during the conversation.
I got to get through calls, and if I'm spending an hour on comping and stuff like that, I'm only going to do 5 calls today.
That's it.
Sellers don't need someone who's memorized their Zillow profile. Why? Because over-researching the property of a seller who might not even answer is a time killer. They need somebody who's confident and competent that they can get the job done when they're on the phone with them. You can research while you're talking to them. What you should be preparing in advance is how to show up as the solution to the problem that they need. That will close more deals than researching Zillow ever will. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Do me a favor, in the comments below, let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know what you would like to see from this channel going forward. That being said, in the meantime, take a look at one of these videos around here, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.